Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. And we have a few options how to enter prank mode. The first one is to only open the charging case, and if it's your first connection, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. Also, it enters to prank mode automatically after you perform a factory reset. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. To enter prank mode manually, at the back side of your charging case we have connectional button. And right here we have it. You need to open the lid, so open, and then press and hold this connectional button until the LED lights start flashing white and red. Here we go. Now we have it, and we can see these earbuds at the device list, so we can easily pair it by just tapping it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.